Hello YouTube, as you see I cut my hair, I had long hair, and I come here with two unboxings, a pair of shin guards and a pair of cleats. I always been saying I was gonna buy the F50s, the F10s, but what's it called? I went to stalker.com and I saw the Predator Predator for 35, and I like those, and the white ones, and I said I was gonna get them, and I wasn't sure if I was gonna order them online, so we went to Sport Authority for something for my dad, and I saw them there, and I decided to buy them. And let me just move it right there. I'm also getting the F5s though. I'm getting the F5s. I don't know if I'm getting the F30s, but anything else. No, I'm getting this one. Look at this. These are just nice. I like these. When I first saw them, I just knew I was gonna like these. I said, let's just put it up there. The track section. I did take them once to play. Not even for like 5 minutes, like 3. And it was raining. And I played. That's why you can see it right there. But it's still nice. Look, it's even tight up. Now, actually, I didn't even take them like to shoot or anything. I just walked with them the whole time to see how I feel with it. And let me tell you this: it can't be a size too big. Not even a half size too big. A half size too small. A size too small has to be right. It has to be like that. Because if it's too big, then you feel like in the back. Because when I was in Sport Authority, I started wearing them, and you feel like in the back that it's like falling off, but it's not. Like you feel it be like right here, you feel it like going up. But the boot's still the same. I like it. I like a lot of it. Look at this. I like how like the deep right there, like faints, it goes, and then it starts fainting, and then right there in the middle, it's like a design. I don't know if you can see. I don't think so. But everything's okay. Look inside. Nike. These are lights. Don't weigh anything. And I know for you guys in the comments, you're like, oh no, those are only the real ones. No. Even the F50s, the real ones are super light. The F30s are light, but like mostly all of them are light, but not as light as the rest. Like the F5s are probably heavier than the F10s and the F30s, but it don't really matter. I like these. I'm a left-footed, just like left-footed right there. A little tab, and then the F50s are not like this. They have like they're more like thinner than that. And then here's the other one. These are just nice. There was also the blue ones, but I saw these and I decided that these were better than the blue ones. Like the blue ones I didn't really like. At first I thought I would like them, but I started liking them. But then when I saw them in person, I decided these were better. Put them at the bottom. They're just nice. Alright, so we're gonna move that to the side. Right there. And since I'm gonna start in a soccer team, we started getting gear because the cleats I had F5s, but the ones that had like the first Adidas that came out, those, and black, and they didn't fit me anymore. Like you can see the video in there. Didn't fit me anymore. Oh, I forgot. Like most people don't like when they show the box or everything. Not everybody likes it. So that's why I didn't show it. 35. And these shin guards, they're the Mercurials in the pack. I took the thing, you see, I took the whole thing that tells you how much it was and everything because it was bothering me. And in the games, I'm gonna take them like this in a bag or something. I don't know. But, and I have this to tighten it up, like this right here. A little tab, tighten it up, but it just like opens already, so it doesn't. I don't think it really helps to be tied up or maybe don't. Most people are like you need a like tight knot, but no. Alright, so let's get more to the thing. See, here's I didn't even use these. I didn't use this yet. I didn't use this. Look at these. Nice on the shirt. There were also a white and red, but I thought these were better. And there were also I don't know what other color it was, but these were. So let's see, Murky up there. And on the back has like these designs. My toes are on the bottom of my foot. I was gonna buy the F50s ones, but these are more wider. It depends on thing. Like I wanted the F50s because the F50s and I like them. But it all depends on your size. Like this is wide. The F50 ones are like this, and then cut through. Like thin and then fat layer. It goes like this, fat, and then it goes thinner. That's why I liked them. And the one on film. I guess these were better. And then it came with like I didn't want the one with the ankles. I didn't like them. So I got these. I know it's not to put you on your arm. I know that. That's for your feet, and then you stuck these inside. That's how you wear them. You got these and the shin guards, or the socks and the shin guards, or both. I know I'm getting F5s. It's better F5s or F10s. Because my dad bought me these and the shin guards, so I'm guessing that I'm buying the F5s. The F5s cost 30, and that'll probably be my next review. So that's all. I'm probably gonna get my new jersey or anything. I don't know if I showed my review on the Barcelona 2012 one jersey. Well, I got the Barcelona. If I didn't, I got the Barcelona jersey, the 2012, 2013, I think, 2011, 2012. It's nice. I'm probably gonna review that another day. So that's all. And peace out.